This is a 2010 Lincoln MKX. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.